Hello YouTube viewers, my name is Nawaz and you're watching my YouTube channel. Alright, so I've decided to create this series on AWS. I've been working with AWS for more than 8 months now, and I won't say I know each and every service of AWS. There are more than 175 services, but I know the essential ones like EC2, storage, database, and VPC, and so on. The idea behind creating this video is to give absolute beginner an idea about AWS and let them getting started. Okay, so let's go to AWS console, AWS management console. You can create a free account. Here you give your email address. I've already created this, so it won't take it. gmail.com and your account alias. After this, it will give you a landing page where you have to choose personal and fill in the details and click continue. And after that, you give your debit card or credit card Visa number, and you have to add your debit card. Without it, you cannot use any services in AWS. It will charge you 2 rupees, but it's free, don't worry, it's free. It comes under free tier, and we'll see more while we go on to things. So after you done everything, you will see something like this. Let me show you. Let me just log in there. After you sign up for a free tier, it will be like this will be your landing page. AWS management console, and you will see something like this. You can see services. You can see how many services there are in AWS. These are called domains of AWS: compute domain, blockchain domain, storage domain, database domain, and media services, and so on. We will see some essential ones which is required. Okay, that's it for this video. Catch you in the next video. Take care.